Yo, what's good, folks? So a Plaid Model X, including a Tesla Semi, was spotted testing at the Fremont Factory. We also have some Cybertruck leaks. And finally, a Plaid Model S with the Yoke steering wheel was spotted. So without further ado, let's get on with this video. So this is the Tesla Semi. The only difference I can see with it is it's white, but otherwise it's very similar to what we saw at the unveil. Doesn't have the trailer on it. Hello! And there is the Plaid Model X. It has the chrome delete. Here I'm not so sure how they were able to go into reverse. Did they select reverse on the screen or was it smart shift? I don't know for this one. And there's the new rear diffuser, and this model has the white interior, and you can see he was able to reverse successfully. So I'm pretty sure smart shift will work very well. Next up, this is the Cybertruck. It looks very similar to what we saw at the unveil. There's no difference I could really tell on the outside. And here's the cool design of the headlights. I really like this design of the headlights. And there you can see the air suspension, and you can see this massive amount of storage it has. Impressive. And now moving on to the interior. This isn't the best quality picture, but I did notice one thing different compared to what we saw at the unveil. The dashboard is just mostly white, whereas at the unveil, it had that marble on the dashboard. I really like the design of this interior. It's really cool, really futuristic. I really like that cyberpunk style. I did notice that the Yoke steering wheel does have Alcantara on it. I like that. I like Alcantara. And same goes for the headliner. It also appears to be there's Alcantara on the seats, and there's no stocks on this vehicle. The smart shift function will be in the Cybertruck as well, and the smart shift function will also be in the Roadster. The Roadster doesn't have any stocks either. So there you can see that glass roof. It's beautiful. And I really like that ambient lighting. You have like strips on the door panel and it's really cool. I really like ambient lighting. It makes the interior feel more premium. And finally, we come to the Plaid Model S. So there you can see the arachnid wheels with the red brake calipers. The side repeater cameras are larger. You can see that rear window, and there's the carbon fiber spoiler. I'm not so sure when they're gonna chrome delete the Tesla badge, including the Plaid badge on the tailgate. I don't like chrome on Teslas, and I feel like this should be changed right now. Or at the very least, it shouldn't be delivered like this. So moving on into the interior, there's still a lot of wires here, but you can see there's the carbon fiber trim and the Yoke steering wheel. The Yoke steering wheel does not have that rough cut at the bottom. So that's sweet. And this is the first time we're getting to see the carbon fiber trim on the center console and on the dashboard, including the door panels in real life. So yeah, there's carbon fiber, the center console is also there, and it makes me to believe that they're getting enough parts now for deliveries of these to start. You can see the seat bolsters are also perforated, which gives a sign that this is the Plaid. And now moving on to the second row, there's that 8-inch screen. There's still more wires here, but I'm not so sure what this container is for. If you guys have any clues, let me know in the comments. But yeah, this is the white interior. Looks beautiful. I really like the fact that the vegan leather wraps around the rear screen. It makes the interior feel more premium, and I can already tell when I sit in this vehicle, this interior will feel 100% premium. Now I do want to point out that this fabric on the door panel, it's nice. There's nothing bad about it, but if they would have gone with Alcantara instead of that fabric, I would have liked that more. So this is going to be it for this short video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notifications, and see you all in the next video.